Moon, river, wider than a mile. I'm crossing you in style someday. You might find me crazy if I really told you just what I see when I'm next to you. Got a lot on my mind, but who doesn't these days? But they all melt away when I'm next to you. Maybe I'm dreaming again. Don't need to fly to be in the clouds. You got me thinking a lot about you and I. We got a lot of time.
Apa ini, ikan gurami?
Dorang.
Oh, dorang. Terus apa namanya ini?
Udang.
udang, kerang, lalapan ini sambal apa?
Sambal apa? Tomat.
Sambal tomat, ini sambal kecap ya? Sini rajungan ada 2 kari rajungan ya. Terus ada kerupuk, fish crackers, nasi sama minum. Yeay, ini pemandangannya nih di depan kita makan. Sunsetnya tapi udah habis.
River wider than a mile. I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream like her, your heart break her wherever you're going. I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbows and waiting round the bend. My huckleberry friend, round river and me.
Aku suka Genji semua, yang love, yang
sebagai ahli pencegah gigi berulang, Pepsodent berikan konsultasi gigi gratis di handphone kapanpun. Woke up alone in this hotel room. Played with myself, where were you? Fell back to sleep, I got drunk at noon. I never felt less cool. We haven't spoke since you went to bed. Comfortable silences of the baby. Why won't you ever be the first one to break? Even my phone misses your call. By the way, I shot your friend that you know from work. She said you feel just fine. I see you gave her
Comfortable silence is suffocated. Why won't you ever say what you wanna say? Even my phone misses your call. By the way,
Aku juga mau lepas sepatu aja deh. Coba lihat mas sekarang nih. Ih, banyak banget.
Sekarang.
Hah? Oh iya ding. Banyak banget ya. Hijau, oranye, pink. Bisa.
brushing past you, skin touch skin, the highlights in your hair, sunlight's in the voice as soft as a warm t-shirt. Our fingers get tangled, just like my words. I am moving so dumbly. Tasting candy in the air. Our fingers get tangled and you highlighted it. Leaning closely, try to speak. My voice sounds like some static from the TV. I am moving so dumbly. Yeah. Sunday morning rain is falling. Still some cover, share some skin. Cars are just shine us in moments unforgettable. You twist the fate the more that I'm in. Things just get so crazy, living like it's hard to do. And I would gladly hit the road, get up and go if I knew that someday it will lead me back to you.